Hi everyone, my name is Rob McKibben. I'm on the Solitude Momentum sales team here at Grand Design RV. We're standing inside the new Solitude 345GK. This is at just over 37 feet, so it's a perfect addition to our lineup because currently we're at about 35 and then we jump up to that 40 plus. So this is that perfect tweener unit for someone who thinks 40 is too big and 35 is too small. So this is going to give them that little bit of extra space that they've been wanting for or maybe needed in addition to the 310. So we're going to show you kind of where that space went. When you walk in, we're doing flush floor slides now on both opposing slides in the living area. So it feels much bigger in here. The floor space feels huge with it being a wide body unit already, and then also not having that lip in the way. So it really opens up the floor space in here. And then the 345 does feature the theater seating, but the bigger version. So you have the 2 cup holders and the storage unit inside the seating area. This is a big hit with customers. I know a lot of times when you don't have anywhere to put drinks, you've heard about it. So this is a nice feature for this floor plan, and it sits directly across from the TV, which goes up and down. And then also we have the window behind the TV, which we've done on a lot of our Solitude floor plans. Just again, Solitude, we're kind of known for bringing in all of that natural light, the big windows, very residential. So to have that there and have that access there is a nice feature. We have updated our seats in our dining area. I know in the past we had a little bit of gold thread going through some of our seating and some of our window treatments. That was, what I've experienced, kind of hit and miss with some customers. So we've gone with something a little bit more subtle, not as out there, I should say. It's just a little bit more subtle. And then all the window treatments have been updated as well. Slide fascias have been updated, much more substantial, big, chunky, very residential looking fascias. Overhead cabinets everywhere you look, so storage abound anywhere inside the main living area. There is storage everywhere. And then as you get into the kitchen, I really love this opening here because look at the size of the pots and pans you can fit in there. Anything you're going to take camping will fit inside here. This is the biggest pots pan drawer I've seen in any of our floor plans. And then also, you got the double trash pull out, big hit with customers. So we're going to continue that thread. The residential countertops, big blocky, the new residential range and oven, the Insignia range and oven. This has gone over really well with customers. We still have the window behind the range as we've done in most floor plans. And as you make your way to the back here, you've got tons of pantry space, which Solitude kind of made a name for itself in that respect with regard to pantries. And this one is designed so, you've got tons of overhead pantry space. You've got all your pull-out drawers with the new plywood bottoms in them, so you don't have to worry about things breaking through the bottom. So very, very sturdy. And then also with the slit here, you can put mops, brooms, things of that nature in there. So everything will be clean, tidied up, out of the way, but it also has a designated spot for it. And then over in the corner, so for all those people on the road working from their RVs, perfect desk area. Storage, nice desktop area. The countertop space is pretty big. And then also you have all your plugins here, USB, 110, windows to look out, overhead cabinetry. This 345, guys, has a ton of space, storage, seating, views, the windows. There's not much this 345 is missing. So it'll be a nice addition to the lineup. And again, it will fill that need between that 35 and 40 foot range for the customers that want a little bit more space than a 310. So that kind of completes the walkthrough of the living area, and we'll kind of make our way upstairs and check out some of the other features in the bedroom and bathroom. We're in the restroom of the 3540GK S-Class. Huge restroom. You've got double entry to it from the bedroom and from the hallway. So getting in and out of the restroom, whether you be coming in from outside or from your bedroom, is very easy. Solid surface countertops in here. New stainless steel undermount sink. No carpet up here or in the upper deck at all, so easy to maintain. Great linen closet behind you for all of your linens and towels and things. Also, the star is the shower. The whole redesign there. Tons more space inside. Way more residential. A bunch more sprayers. And then also, you get that drop down when you step in for the taller customers to have the room, the headroom, that most other manufacturers don't give them. So really nicely updated the restroom area with the shower and then the solid surface countertops. Alright guys, we've made our way up into the bedroom of the 345GK. We have gone to a new headboard, new bedspread. Also, you're going to have 2 windows on each side of the bed that do open for cross ventilation. We have dressed up the window treatments a little bit, so those are nicely appointed. That's a new feature there, new design, I should say. You got the portal window above the bed as well to give you some more natural light. You've got the lift here, the additional storage that's hidden only on the Solitude line. You still got your pull-out ottoman, which is a Solitude staple from day one. So we're going to continue that thread. And in the Solitude lineup, you're going to get the ability to have a stackable washer and dryer. So in the S class, you only get the side by side of the combo units. In the Solitude, you get the stackable. And again, the big walk-in closet up front, and we're able to get this kind of space up here because of our construction with our radius aluminum in the front cage there. It really allows us to utilize all that space in that front cap. Again, there's no carpet in the upper deck, in the restroom or in the bedroom, so very easy to maintain. Great storage underneath the bed, all on gas struts. You do have 110 outlets on each side of the bed. This one is hidden by the door, so you've got 110 here and USB. That'll be on both sides of the bed. So I know that most of our customers are, especially in this price point or this type of product, are into CPAP machines, so they always got to have power on each side of the bed. We've done that on each side here, and that completes the Solitude 345GK. If you guys have any other questions regarding the 345, specs, pricing, anything like that, you can give it your reps, and we'll get you the information as soon as we can. Thanks, and have a great day.